Looking to build a pergola? Looking to build a pergola in about an hour? The LINX Simplified Pergola System makes building your personal oasis a snap. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. LINX brackets are designed to be used with standard 4x4 and 6x6 lumber with actual dimensions of 3.5 by 3.5 and 5.5 by 5.5. No planing or sanding required. Each bracket is constructed of high-grade steel. They use 50% thicker steel than other products that provide strength and long-lasting durability. Precision welding leaves the inside tube free and clear. The coolest part of the system is the ability to customize the design. Whether you're looking for a simple 8x8 or an elaborate L-shaped pergola, this system can accommodate. Throw in the sunshades and a hammock kit and you're ready to enjoy your shaded time outdoors. The LINX Pergola System is available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your pergola, give us a call or chat with us online. We'd love talking to you about your project.